So today I have with me Debjit. He will share his valuable placement experience with us.
Okay, so today was the campus interviews days for us. We have prepared for this day since long, and Kantar was my first interview. And the first round I got through the tech round and then to the HR round, and finally I got selected. Great opportunity for me, and extremely happy right now.
So how did Praxis help you in this journey of yours?
Okay, so first of all, Praxis provides a great learning environment over here. Then I would obviously like to thank my professors who have been instrumental towards this journey. They helped me shape my mentality towards analytics, helping me secure this job role today. And I'm very thankful for this opportunity.
So what piece of guidance or advice would you like to give to your juniors?
Okay, so first of all, practice GDs and aptitude tests as much as possible, because only if you get past them, you will get to the final interview rounds. So get shortlisted for as many companies as possible, otherwise your chances get limited. And then interview preparation is a must. Thank you.